Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Duel Links. First, let's understand the basics. Duel Links is a fast-paced digital card game where you build powerful decks. You'll engage in speed duels, a simplified format with 3 monster and 3 spell/trap zones. Each player begins with 4,000 life points and a 4-card hand, making for quick and exciting matches. It's a great way to experience Yu-Gi-Oh! On the go. Now, let's dive into the core mechanics. Your main goal is to summon monsters to the field and attack your opponent directly, aiming to reduce their 4,000 life points to 0. You can also use spell cards for immediate, impactful effects, or set trap cards face down to activate later, surprising your opponent during their turn. Mastering these elements is key to victory in every duel. Building an effective deck is crucial. Your main deck needs to have between 20 and 30 cards, a smaller size than the traditional game, which helps with consistency. Aim for a balanced mix of monsters, spells, and traps that work well together to support your chosen strategy. Also, remember to consider your chosen character's unique skill, as it can significantly influence your deck's effectiveness and playstyle. To elevate your game, explore advanced strategies. Familiarize yourself with various card archetypes, understanding their unique strengths and weaknesses. Practice anticipating your opponent's potential moves and setting up your defenses or offenses accordingly. Don't forget to utilize the in-game tutorials and challenge modes to refine your skills. Experiment with different deck builds to discover what playstyle suits you best and leads to consistent wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.